this is my issue with like critical theory as well. कि मतलब
Explain to people what critical theory
critical
is.
theory is basically like in postmodernism the structures in place have been so oppressive कि उनके ऊपर एक तरीके से कभी भी किसी ने ढंग से वो नहीं किया, critique नहीं किया है. तो
I'll explain to people.
हाँ.
So postmodernism is a way of thinking where
structures are bad and everything.
हाँ, वहाँ जहाँ पे हम तो एक पॉइंट आता है हिस्ट्री में जहाँ मॉडर्निटी में जागते हैं और बोलते हैं वाओ ये हमारे ओवरआर्चिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, डेमोक्रेसी, इकोनॉमिक्स, कैपिटलिज्म. पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म कहता है ये जो स्ट्रक्चर्स है ना ये हमें बेवकूफ बनाते हैं. इन स्ट्रक्चर्स की गाइज में हम लोग एक झूठा जीवन जीते हैं और फिर एक दिन मर जाते हैं. तो पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म का एक एलिमेंट, एक सिम्टम आया क्रिटिकल theory, इसको critical race CRT भी कहते हैं, critical race theory. This came about in law, and the purpose of this was to introspect and ask कि to what degree is our legal system prejudiced inherently towards certain sets of people, right? And then this CRT got borrowed into American academia, which eventually came into Indian leftist academia, and so on and so forth. And now this modern way of looking at oppression as the primary way of looking at relationships between sets of people is CRT.
Yeah, तो इसमें मेरा issue ये था कि मतलब वही they always talk about the issues that we face, but they never seem to have any solution for it.
Yeah,
that is the like I think that is like on the board also many people agree कि मतलब that is one criticism to critical theory.
Right.
They are very much
they're pointing at the problem without providing a solution.
But वही है ना कि मतलब you cannot also